guys, so we just stopped in someplace South Carolina. If y'all haven't been keeping up with what's going on, the Fairlane's having intake problems, and we decided that we were going to do a dual quad swap. As you can see, we have it. But when we did that, we had some master cylinder problems and some distributor problems. So we're here in South Carolina with Mr. Bobby. We're pulling it off right now. And we're at his shop, and we are going to take a look at it. This man knows everything about everything. You guys should definitely go check out his account. What is your YouTube? For Zell Racing?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Doing good. How are you doing?
Thank you for saving our lives.
Anytime.
Save the shop.
Save the shop.
So we are going to be transferring, obviously, the Fairlane to the truck, and to the truck to the shop, which is going to be super exciting. Audrey, how do you feel in there?
It's good. I feel cool over here.
Yeah, you look good. So we're very excited. So come along as we try and fix this one day before the great race.
And just like that, it's lifted.
Excited.
4-letter word on a 4-letter word. Look at this ramp truck. It's so awesome. I love it. Ford on Ford. Bobby is a Ford guy through and through, and he is a Ford expert, and we are lucky to have him be part of the team today for sure. Heard nothing but great things about you, bud.
I'm just a guy with a car problem.
Aren't we all?
If Fred Sanford was a car guy, it would be me. I'm a white Fred Sanford. That's all it was.
Gotcha. Looks good on here, man.
You get that strap on?
All right, they're gonna go up and get started working on the car because we are on a time schedule here. And I'm gonna go and I'm gonna lock up the RV while they're getting started.
And we're going. I don't think I should post this online, but oh well. Bobby lives real close. Whoa! Look at his car. Whoa! Look at all of this. This is such like a southern mechanic. I love this. This is something I would like run away to and never see the public again. I like his camper.
Had boosters or anything. They had single pot mattress on the way down there.
Right.
So
now how do you
that's
do that?
some kind of aftermarket kit that somebody's put on it.
Well, originally this is not for this. This
Right.
was on a totally different one. This had a big round black one, little chunky black one.
Right, but these cars never came with dual pots or power.
I love seeing when you get into around someone with a southern accent, you have to get a southern accent.
I do, right?
Yeah.
There's just something honest about them.
It's a sweet tea. Hey, progress. In order to know what to do right, you have to do something wrong.
I'm quoting you on that.
Is this up or down, or does it matter?
Whichever way it fits.
Okay, that's a good answer.
Can I
Because
put
that thing's
it in?
kicked back, so it might have to go. I mean, it rotates. It might have to go down.
Okay.
Okay guys, we think we have figured out the problem. So, I'm coming in, Dan.
Yeah.
If you look back here, this was the wrong bracket. If you should see, these threads should be back here. And that little space is really needed for our brakes. So that was just the installer from the owner before. or before that, but we are figuring it out. We got some acorns coming in and we're gonna be able to get that space, and the brakes now fully go down to the ground, which is really, really exciting for the brakes. Also, we got a new distributor, so it went in like a key, and then we were able to figure out the plugs well. So it is running way better. We are very excited to get it going for y'all. We're gonna bleed the brakes and then hopefully get on the road soon. Video.
Sweet.
What? I'm right here.
Fire it up.
Fired it up.
That hole has vacuum.
That vacuum line is timed. It's not pulling anything, right? It's split.
Yeah, top of the lead line.
Yeah, it's supposed to pull the diaphragm out. You know this.
Yeah.
What am I supposed to do
I know.
for? You might just run it with just mechanical, right?
Ready?
Put your foot on the brake and pull it back in reverse and see what happens.
Real hard brake, put it in reverse.
Parking off.
Yeah, put it on.
So we've lost power in the shop, which isn't stopping us. We're having some carburetor problems. We found some vacuum leaks. We actually found that our fuel line wasn't fully hooked up and it was too big, so we changed that. Now we're working on some of the carburetor. We're seeing where the gas goes. I'm in the car right now turning the key for Dane. And it's 9 p.m. one day before the race.
What you smiling about?
I'm just happy to be in the driver's seat of a cool car.
That's
I wish
awesome.
it was running, but it's all right.
Hey, soon.
Yeah, absolutely. We will. We will. We're working on it. It'll get there. Absolutely.
Hey, worst case scenario, we just do another intake swap in the parking lot. It's not the first time.
Hey, at this point, we know exactly what we need to do.
And we know exactly how to do it.
And you good? I'm about to come hug you. You okay?
I could use a hug. I'm just so tired. I have lost track of what day it is. Is it the morning or the evening? I don't even know.
Gone delusional, y'all. Rise rebuilds going crazy. See, this is what happens when you give a couple girls, a couple monsters, lack of sleep, and a major deadline. That's super stressful. You know, it brings the crazy out in us. We all turn southern. All the accents come out.
Lightning striking. We got tornadoes going on.
God's really saying, I don't think so.
Mm.
We're fighting with God, I think. Oh my God, there's fireflies. Sorry. It's like squirrel. Squirrel. Listen, I'm saying there's a bunch of cars here. We can totally just pick and go. Do we need this? Maybe. But I don't think I'm ever going to touch a Ford Fairlane again. I think this is canceled out my Ford Fairlane time.
Snyder,
Yeah.
are you gonna hold?
The bumper is bending.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can get under there and strap it.
Is it? Yeah, it is.
Want me to go under?
You want to go under? It's gonna
Get
be
that
gross.
pit mat out of the wagon back there.
No.
Who you
That's
going back
fine,
here?
I can do
No, the
that.
one I got is the one that's in the
Do
wagon.
we have a shower in the RV?
We do, but we're not hooked up to water, so we need to be hooked up to water to use it.
We can go up here. No, we can't. Are you going under, or you just go to a leaf spring? Who gives a shit? Go to the leaf spring first. Seriously, don't go all the way under. Just go to this leaf spring first. Here. Come in.
Can I have some more wine, please?
Oh, sure.
More.
Good. Woo!
Make sure we're good. Out of there and everything. We're lining up.
There you go. Oh, whoo! That literally cleared by a quarter
Oh, you're
inch.
talking about
The
the
pipe,
Yeah,
yeah.
because it's pulling it down because it's tied high.
Oh my gosh.
Did you get
You
that?
yeah, you got it.
I would look on the ramp over.
You're on it. You're right in the middle.
That's that pop I told you about. Don't panic.
Okay.
Could have done that to the bumper. The bumper would be off.
Yeah, them old metal lines kink up.
Only go down the road.
We're only going 20 yards.
Alright, y'all, it's 9 p.m. and we are bringing the Fairlane back to the RV so that we can get onto the road for our 8-hour ride home. Not home, to the race.
You got 18 hours to Minnesota.
18 hours to Minnesota. Car's not running. but we think we know what's wrong with it. So hopefully we can figure that out. We're all real tired, kind of defeated, but we got this.